Problems based on concentration of solutions. Let us do some problems. First problem. Before that, we have to know some important terms for the concentration of solutions. That is molarity. Its unit is mole liter inverse. Molality unit is mole kilogram inverse. And 1 liter equal 1000 cubic centimeter or 1 liter equal 1000 ml and 1 deciliter equal 1 by 10 liter. Now let us start. First question. 4 gram of NaOH dissolved in 1 liter of solution, 1 deciliter, not liter, 1 deciliter of solution. Find its molality if the density of solution is given, that is 1.038 gram per centimeter cube. So density is in gram per centimeter cube. So first we have to write the formula. Okay, here the mass of solute is given, then volume of solution is given and density of solution is given. The equation is molality is equal to number of moles of solute by mass of solvent in kilogram. Okay, density is given. So density of solution will be equal to mass by volume. Okay, so volume of solution is given. Volume is 1 deciliter. 1 deciliter means 1 by 10 liter. Okay, first we have to convert it into milliliter because density is in gram per milliliter or centimeter cube. Okay, so 1 by 10 into 1000. So the by multiplying into 1000 or 10 raised to 3, multiplying by 10 raised to 3, we will get the answer 100 ml. So volume is converted into ml and we got the value 100 ml. Now we know mass of the solution, density equal mass by volume. So mass of the solution is equal to density into volume. Density is given and volume is given. So density is 1.038 into 100 ml. Answer is this much gram, 103.8 gram. Okay, now we must know mass of the solvent because molality equal number of moles of solute by mass of solvent. We got mass of the solution. From this we can find the mass of solvent. Mass of solvent will be equal to mass of solution minus mass of solute. Mass of solution is, we know, 103.8 gram minus 4 gram is the mass of the solute. So answer is 99.8. This is the mass of the solvent. Now substitute in the equation molality. Number of moles means mass of the solute by molar mass of the solute. Mass we got. Mass of the solute we know, that is 4 gram. Okay. Molar mass of solute is NaOH. So molar mass is 40. So mass of the solute is 4 gram. Molar mass is 40 and divided by mass of the solvent is in kilogram. We already calculated the value, mass of the solvent. So this will be equal to 4 by 40 into 1000 by 99.8. Answer is 1.002 mole kilogram inverse. Okay, like this we can calculate the molality of the given question. Okay, give a molality from the given terms we can calculate the molality. Okay. Second question. A sample of drinking water was found to be contaminated with chloroform. Okay, chloroform. The level of contamination was 15 ppm by mass. So here a new term called ppm. So what is meant by ppm? ppm means parts per million. 1 ppm means 1 gram in 1 million of solution. That is 1 gram of solute in 1 million gram of solution. 1 million is 10 raised to 6 gram. Okay, so here we have to first the first part of the question is express in percentage mass. That is we have to find the percentage mass of chloroform and it is given mass of the solute. Mass of the solute is 15 ppm. Okay, so 15 ppm means 15 gram in 10 raised to 6 gram of solution. Okay, 10 raised to 6 gram of solution. Okay, So 15 gram in 10 raised to 6 gram of solution is the mass of the solute. So mass percentage, we know the equation, that is mass of the solute divided by total mass of the solution into 100. So we are substituting those values here, 15 by 10 raised to 6 into 100, and we will get the value 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 percentage. What does this mean? This means that 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 gram in 100 gram of the solution. Here the solution is water sample. Okay. So 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 gram of chloroform present in 100 gram of the water sample. Okay. Now next part of the question is determine the molality of chloroform in the water sample. So molality, we know number of moles of the solute in 1000 gram of the solvent or 1 kilogram of the solvent. So for this we know the mass of the chloroform. Here we know 100 gram of water sample contains 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 gram. Okay. So mass of the chloroform in 1000 gram will be equal to this value into 10. So the answer is 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 gram. Okay. In the equation, we need the mass of the solvent, mass of the solute in 1000 gram of the solvent. Okay. Here it is given 1000 gram of the solution or water sample. Water sample is the solution here. We know this solution is very dilute. So mass of the solution we can take as mass of the solvent. Okay. Mass of the solution is taken as the mass of the solvent. So mass of the chloroform, mass of the solute in 1000 gram of the solvent. Instead of solution we can write solvent. Okay. Solvent is equal to 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 gram. So we got the value mass of the chloroform in 1000 gram of the solvent. We got that value. Molality means number of moles of the solute per 1000 gram of the solvent. So number of moles is mass of the solute by molar mass. Okay. Here the molar mass of chloroform is CHCl3 is the formula, is the molecular formula of chloroform. From this we got the value 119.5 gram mole inverse. So this is the molar mass of the chloroform. So mass of the solute we know 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 2 gram by 119.5. Okay. So the answer is 1.255 into 10 raised to minus 4 mole kilogram inverse. That is the molality of chloroform. Okay. Third problem, calculate the concentration of sugar. Sugar is C12H22O11 in mole liter inverse if its 20 gram are dissolved in water to make a final solution, final volume of 2 liter. Okay. So concentration in mole liter inverse, that means molarity we have to calculate. So concentration mole liter inverse or molarity will be equal to number of moles of the solute by volume of the solution. Okay. So in order to find the number of moles of the solute, first we must know the molar mass of this sugar. Sugar is C12H22O11. The molar mass is 342 gram mole liter inverse. Okay. And we know the mass of the solute is given, that is 20 gram dissolved in water. Okay. So number of moles of solute will be equal to the given mass, that is 20 gram divided by its molar mass. So the answer is 0.0585. Okay. Now next molarity. Molarity is this number of moles of solute by volume of the solution in liter. It is given. The final volume is 2 liter. So volume of the solution is 2 liter. Okay. So therefore molarity will be equal to number of moles of the solute by volume of the solution, that is 0.0585 divided by 2. Answer is 0.02925 mole liter inverse. This is the concentration in terms of mole liter inverse or molarity. Okay. Like this we can calculate the problem. Okay. We can calculate the molarity from the given mass and the final volume. Okay.